Hey guys, what's up? It's K Rebel. Just sitting there, Valentine's Day with my lady, just trying to play the guitar a little bit. Try to make another video on a life hack. So I actually been sitting here playing for a couple of hours. I really just want to keep playing. But my fingers just started hurting and stuff, and I already did a video, so it ain't gonna take me real long like it did last time. But I just take some Gorilla Glue or super glue, and my fingers hurt from pushing on the strings so long. So what I do is I take some super glue. Like I said, I just started off playing guitar off and on for about 4 years now. So take some super glue. This is actually have a brush on it. It doesn't matter if it's a brush or if it's. I take it and I put it on my fingers, on the tips. Now, mind you, I said I'd try to make another video and cut it short. It's actually still recording, so that's good. So I put the glue on there. And you probably want to put it on there a lot heavier. It's kind of a shorter video. Like I said, it didn't record. So just blow on it. Put it on there. You can do like a couple coats, 2-3 coats or whatever. I already did probably like 2 coats. Kind of let it get tacky. Then dip it and redo it and keep going and blow on it. You'll feel it kind of get gummy. Mine's not because like I said. And it kind of feels weird. It's like a plastic cap on your fingers when you push on it. That's what you actually want to feel, is like a plastic cap. Now the glue will actually break off and it'll like create cracks and everything, but I mean you'll feel it. Your fingertips are like, it's instant calluses for playing the guitar. It does get kind of weird playing after you do that, but you can push. You can push just as hard as like you weren't playing, you know. And that's the trick. Oops. Anyway, that was just a life tip, life hack, whatever. Super glue on the fingers helps you push. Super glue, man.